Hello everyone, my name is Una and today I'm reading a book about our camping trip. Packing up. We're going camping. We pack our tent, sleeping bags, and cooking gear. Don't forget the camera, I say. We drive to the lake and we set up camp. Click and take a picture. Nighttime. Time to eat, says Dad. We build a fire to cook hamburgers and hot dogs. Click. I take a picture. Time for bed, says Mom. We get into our sleeping bags. We look at the stars. Click. I take a picture. Bear and fish. In the morning, we see a bear by the lake. It is eating berries. Click. I take a picture. Time for fishing, says Dad. Mom catches 3 fish, says, and Abby catches a turtle. Click. I take a picture. Time to go home. Our camping trip is over and it's time to go home. Click. I take a picture. The next day, Grandma wants to hear all about our trip. I can't remember everything. So I show Grandma all my pictures.